everyone, how is your day going? Today we're going to be cooking Eru. Yes, the name is Eru, E-R-U. This is a meal from Cameroon and precisely from the southwest region of Cameroon. It's a vegetable soup and it is very delicious. Okay, so let me start by showing you the ingredients that we're going to use for this meal. Keep watching. Okay, so the most important ingredient in this meal is the Eru. The vegetable is called Eru and the food is still called Eru. Yeah, so we have the Eru. This one it's dried Eru that I brought from back home. So I steeped it in warm water yesterday evening, and this morning I took it out from the water and it's ready to be cooked. The next other very important ingredient is Waterleaf. So this is not really Waterleaf. Waterleaf is a little bit scarce to find here. So this is watercress. I love watercress. The smell is very good. So I got this from the store. I washed it, chopped it, and it is ready to use. Watercress. I am replacing Waterleaf with watercress. Also, the next very important ingredient is palm oil. Palm oil. You need your palm oil in this food. And then we have our crayfish. You cannot survive this food without crayfish. Crayfish makes it taste very good. So we have our crayfish here. The next thing are the obstacles that we're going to be putting in here. We have dried fish. So this dried fish, I soaked it in warm water and washed it properly, and this is what we got. The smell is so good. The next thing on our agenda is assorted meats. Assorted meats. So here we have offals, we have cow skin, we have beef. Yeah, boiled beef. Yes, so this is the contents of this pot. You're going to see how we're going to use this. So we're also going to be needing our salt, of course. And I put Maggi in my own. I don't know about you, but I put Maggi in my own. Okay, let's get to cooking. So we first of all start by putting our Waterleaf or the watercress in the pot. This is the pot. The pot was empty. I'm not adding in any water in here. The vegetable is going to produce the water and it's going to boil. So I'm putting in and I cover my pot and we let it cook. So now that our watercress is all done, see how it looks? This is the part where we add in our Eru. So we're going to put in our Eru. And then we're going to mix it properly. Yes, we're gonna mix it. Okay, when we're done mixing, we cover the pot and you let it cook properly. Okay guys, at this level you can see that our Eru and Waterleaf is well done. It is ready. So we move to the next step, which is putting in part of our crayfish, not all of it, part of it. Yep. So I'm gonna put part of the crayfish in. I'm keeping the rest, which we're going to put later. And then we put in our fish here. After putting in our fish, we put in our obstacles. Oh, and then we mix. Yes, I'm so excited for this food because I have been wanting to eat it for weeks now. I cook it much, I make much, I put some in the freezer and I eat it as time goes on. But the last one I had was done like 2 weeks ago, so that is why I am doing it today. I really want to eat this today. I'm so excited. Okay, after adding in our obstacles and mixing it properly, and all of them are getting to know each other in this good pot of soup, we put in our Maggi cube. Yep. Put in our Maggi cube in. Maggi cube in. Yep. We put in our salt. Put in your salt too. Be careful not to overdose the salt. Yeah. We put in our salt. And then we mix again and let them get to know each other. After that, we put in our palm oil. Yep. Put in your palm oil. Make sure to check to be sure that the Maggi and we mix carefully so that you don't scatter all of the fish. Okay, after mixing properly, this is where we put in the rest of our crayfish, and then we mix and we let any excess water in the pot evaporate. Yeah, you have to let any excess water in the pot evaporate. All what you have to have in the pot as liquid should be the palm oil. Yeah, so we let everything, and at this stage you're not covering the pot anymore. The pot is supposed to be open. Yeah, once you start putting in the obstacles and everything, you don't close the pot anymore. Pot stays open. Yeah, so this is what we got, guys. We wait for it to, for the little water in it to evaporate, and the ingredients will get to know each other properly. So guys, this is our end results. Just look at this. How shiny does it look? Yeah, I had to throw in some habanero peppers because it also plays a good role in this meal. And I'll tell you a tip. This meal is best eaten when it is a leftover. Means you cook it today, you eat it tomorrow. Yes, so okay guys, I have to eat some now. I'm very hungry. Yeah, I dey hungry. Just look at how this looks. So delicious. Yes, this is how I'm going to be eating it, guys. This is how I am going to be eating it. With some fufu gari. Yes. Say good appetite to me. Stay tuned to get more recipes.